Meet the VEMI, the world's first biosynchronizer bed powered with vibroacoustic, electromagnetic, and infrared technologies. The VEMI is the only luxury energy system that uses advanced multi-layered acoustic waveforms and biostacked therapies to provide the individual's body with the opportunity to achieve cellular and electrical coherence, restoring ultimate wellness. Let's take a closer look at these three natural modalities. Vibroacoustics. The VEMI is so much more than a regular, less developed vibroacoustic bed. There is no comparison. The vibration experience is enhanced with millions of audio frequencies, and the bed is engineered to float the body. Feeling the music helps the body come into harmony physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually through stimulating the feeling senses. This full body entrainment helps the mind and body to expand awareness. Electromagnetics. Time and space disappear when your whole body is enveloped with millions of gentle electromagnetic frequencies. Using specific frequencies and vibrations, the unique combination and layering biosynchronizes the body's biofield to reach deep levels of relaxation, full body coherence, and a profound reset that lasts and builds upon itself. Infrared heat. Experience a deep feeling of warmth and release with this gentle energy that helps with detoxification. Frequency waves penetrate up to 3 inches deep to help provide immense relief to muscles and internal organs, as well as improve lymphatic flow, increase blood flow and circulation, and reduce tension and stress. We have stacked 3 of the most effective biohacking technologies that are carefully calibrated and synced to support the body's natural electrical system to help restore overall coherence, vitality, calm, and peace. One 30-minute session will give you the ability to have the ultimate feeling of relaxation and energy restoration. There are thousands of people who have had amazing results with the VEMI, and you can too. How does it work? Our bodies comprise trillions of subatomic particles, which include electrons, protons, and neutrons. Each of these particles have a pattern of spin that generates energy waves. Imagine trillions of particles spinning in concert together. The sum pattern of all these waves emanating from the particles in our body create a biofield. The biofield is a field of electromagnetic energy that surrounds and interpenetrates the human body. Ultimately, the biofield informs the physical, mental, and emotional aspects of the human body. Our cells exchange information to regulate body functions through sending and receiving specific frequencies. This cell signaling precedes and regulates all biochemical actions. When these natural frequency signals become scrambled, so does our body's ability to self-regulate and maintain healthy function. This disruption can occur because of the introduction of things like certain viruses, toxins, heavy metals, radiation, and harmful electromagnetic fields. When unhealthy frequencies, such as Wi-Fi signals, disrupt cellular function and alter the cell's vibration, then its ability to send, receive, and accurately interpret signals is compromised. Incoherence will manifest. So what is incoherence? An incoherent biofield has particle wave patterns that are in chaos with one another. It reflects a body that is out of tune with unhealthy patterns. A coherent biofield has particle wave patterns that are synchronized with one another. It reflects a body that is in tune with healthy patterns. When multiple modalities and therapies are combined, they can create incoherence. We don't use any frequencies above the body's normal frequencies. This is what makes us stand out from the rest. Our extremely gentle PureWaves mimic the frequencies of the body. Now that is a true biohack. The VEMI biosynchronizes the biostacking of 3 effective modalities with frequency waveforms that target areas in the body that are low in cellular voltage. The biosynchronization acts like a conductor syncing all the cells, tissues and body parts to vibrate at all the same time with the same intensity. Every VEMI ride is a reflection of your wellness evolution. Your body is only going to do what it is capable of, so no two experiences are the same. The VEMI is the perfect wellness device to up-level your personal growth and biophysiology. It can literally launch you to the next level of your wellness journey. Are you ready to redefine wellness with us? Visit our website to learn more.